Okay, so I thought I would do a little experiment. I wanted to make some permanent, flexible, really thin texture plates that I could use on my gel press. And as you can see, it worked out pretty well. It took about a day to dry, maybe 2 days, to get this flexible, but it's really strong. It's just used with, it's just regular caulk, not silicone. I didn't find anything that said silicone on the bottle, and I'll show you that in a second. But I used it to make an impression on my gel press, and you can see it worked. Let's see if I can match it up. It worked pretty well. So I was curious to know what would happen if I took the same all-purpose caulk. Now, I don't see anywhere on here that it says silicone. And I just got this at the dollar store. Dollar Tree, actually, for, well, when it was $1. So it's about a $1.25 now. So I don't see anything that says silicone 1 on here, which is what you normally use and mix with cornstarch to make something called proto putty, where you can, make molds and stuff. So I didn't have any silicone 1, and I didn't want to use up my cornstarch. So what I did is today I mixed this caulk with baby powder, and I rolled it up in a little ball, and you can see it's pretty messy. So basically what I did is I just put some baby powder on the parchment paper, and then I put the caulk on there, mixed it together, and then molded it. I had gloves on, thank God, because it was it was really messy. So you just keep working it like pie dough, and then it gets malleable. So I just took an extra piece of parchment and rolled an impression with my roller. And you want to use parchment on it, or over it, to roll it out into a thin plate. And I'm hoping that this will dry faster because it's got baby powder on it, which is basically, this is the one I used, aloe and vitamin E. It's just cornstarch. So that's all I had, and there's just a little bit left. So I thought I would try this experiment. And so what I did is I just took this lace impression here and this lace impression here, and I had previously used this on my gel press, but hopefully it will dry, and it's pretty thin, so I'm going to let it dry flat, and hopefully we will have a permanent texture plate that will be waterproof so that you can scrub it down when you get paint on it. And yeah, pretty excited about that. So I haven't seen this on YouTube. This is my own little experiment, and yeah, if it works, I will update you and let you know. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.